Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Arms Tech, and I hope you're doing well. Now, 4 weeks ago I checked out the Xiberia E3 Gaming Headset and found it to be mediocre. You can find that review in the link in the description down below and in a card up here. However, today we're going to be checking out the Xiberia E3 Gaming Headset to see if that's any better. So let's jump straight on into the review. So then you can find a link in the description down below to this headset. Now it is an Amazon affiliate link, so it doesn't cost you anything extra. It just gives the channel a bit of a kickback and helps me make more videos like this for you guys at home. So straight out of the box, and you're greeted with this fabric carrier bag, which is a really neat touch as the other cheap headphones didn't come with that. But it's going to house everything you need for the gaming headset. You're greeted with a user guide and a warranty guide, which we're not going to need to use. And then you're going to be greeted with a plastic bag, which is going to house your 3.5mm splitter for your PC. Now this does work with your laptops, your game consoles, tablets, and anything else that you wish to use for it. However, you are going to need this splitter if you're going to be using it on the PC. So up next you have then got the headset itself, which is really nice to look at. First off impressions, it does look really cool. You've got these two metal bands across the top there. And then you've got a spongy bit of fabric in the middle, so it rests on your head really well. Moving on down to the ear cups, and you've got your microphone here. Now this does bend and it does stay wherever you put it in place. And it's also got a windshield on it, just so you don't then go obviously breathing down the mic and everybody can hear you. Moving on to the ear cups, and you have got this fake black leather. Now it's not breathable leather. I would love it to be breathable like most gaming headsets should be, just because of long gaming hours. Moving on to the cable itself, and it is braided, which gives that really nice feel of a premium quality headset, with an inline mute slider as well, and also the inline volume button. Up next, you've got then the 3.5mm jack, just for the drivers themselves. Now they are 50mm drivers, and you have got a USB plug as well, and that's just for the RGB on the side of the ear cups. So what we're going to do is we're going to link this up. We're going to do an audio test of the drivers to see if the low, the mids and the highs are there, and also the bass. And we're also going to do a mic test to see if this is actually any good. It does state on the box clear crystal sound for the microphone, so let's see if that adds up to the test.
Have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck. Push me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Call my name, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away.
So what we're going to do now is go ahead and test the Xiberia E3 Gaming Headset onboard microphone. And what you can hear now is the onboard microphone for the Xiberia E3 Gaming Headset. I'm coming through loud, I'm coming through clear, and I'm coming through crisp. This headset will do if you're speaking to your mates over in Discord or in game chat, or even if you're doing podcasts and voiceovers and even live streaming. And for the price of this headset, I'm actually really surprised at how good the microphone is. So then let's talk about the pros and the cons of the Xiberia E3 Gaming Headset, and first off we're going to start with the cons. For me, it's going to be the ear cups not being breathable. Obviously, long hours of gaming, it does get hot and it does get sweaty, which breathable ear cups would really help with that. Second of all, it's going to be the RGB. Now, even though it's really nice, it's not controllable. You can, however, turn it on and off with this little wheel on the left-hand side ear cup, and that's the only cons that I've found with this headset. Now, let's move on to the pros, and for me, it's really neat and really nice looking. These two bands across the top holding the ear cups together is a really nice style, and the fabric head strap in the middle keeping it to your head is really comfortable. Moving on to the audio, and the mid, the lows and the highs were all there, as well as the bass, which hopefully came across in the video, but you wouldn't be disappointed with the audio quality of this gaming headset. Now let's move on to the microphone. So on the box it did state clear crystal sound, and that did come through. It was really nice, and especially for the price of this headset. Now it was second best to the Havit H2011Ds that I reviewed a little while ago, but still an amazing microphone. Now at the time of filming, this headset came in at £15.99, of which the link will be in the description down below. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it doesn't cost you anything extra, just gives the channel a bit of a kickback and means I can bring you more videos from here. However, that does it for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share the hell out of this video, it really does help out the channel. Leave any thoughts and questions in the comments section down below, and underneath the video there's a red bar that says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself, and like always I shall see you in the next video.